all the way from whether the narrations of this being the day in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved Nuh alayhi salam and his people, to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam making the hijrah, to Musa alayhi salam being given victory, to Al-Hussein radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and his martyrdom on this day, on a day of Friday, on the day of Ashura. There's something that ties all of it together, and that is, with whom is Allah's favor and support and aid? And what qualities bring about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's support? Allah is with the one who is seeking to overcome the shaitan, their enemy, even in a very personal battle with their shaitan, so long as they don't engage in sin. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ مُحْسِنُونَ. And Allah is with the good doers, those who do good. So those who leave off sin, those who do good, وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَ الصَّابِرِينَ. And more often than any other phrase Allah repeats in the Quran in regards to His being present, Allah is with the patient.